Hi guys, I'm here today with a rotating display stand to show you, but it's not just a normal rotating display stand, it's a very special one, and this is because of the three possibilities how we can power it. It comes with a USB port. By the way, also the USB power cable is included, and on top of that you have two different types of batteries which you can use. You can use rechargeable 18650 batteries here in the large battery compartment. You can see that here, or you can use three disposable AAA batteries here inside, and that's very unique, at least as far as I can see. I have never seen that before. Three different options for powering this. This can be super helpful, but it does not only have a lot of options regarding the power, it has also two different options, of course, for the rotating left and right. We have different speeds and we have different angles. And some other advantages with this model is that it comes with this soft rubber feet, so it has a very safe stand. And on top we have a normal plastic surface, so this is really good to clean. Some models have this velvet, which looks maybe good at the beginning, but after that it gets very dirty, full of dust, and then you can't clean that, so that's much easier for maintenance. So I'm going to show you that how it really works. And so here we have the different options. Here I'm using the standard micro USB cable, which is included, and when we have the green light we are ready. We can put something on it and then push and it starts working. And as soon as we hit the left right, it will turn into the other direction, as you can see. But as long as we don't do anything, it will keep spinning. Then we have this button here, which is increasing then the speed. You can see here it's very slow. Here it is medium, and this is fast. And we push again, goes into slow again. And here on the right side we have the different angles. I push here, you can see what happens. It is then oscillating between the given angles. If we want to change the angle, we can push again and it will then change the angle here a little bit, make it larger. I think the different angles are 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So definitely plenty of options. So we can remove this again, unplug it, and so I'm adding here AAA batteries, close it again, and when we push here it is doing same thing. But again we can also add the 18650 battery. I mean, the batteries are not included, but these are pretty much standard batteries. So I add this here, and you can see I can push here, and it's also of course doing exactly same thing. But on top of that we can also charge the 18650 battery. When we plug it in, we can see the red light that's charging. So we have so many options here. Definitely my favorite rotating display stand, so I can fully recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.